Oh, high cuffs. No, my motor wire disconnected.
You still in?
Oh, shit.
All right, you're hit. I'm hit. Being very nice.
I'm out.
You were nice.
Fuck.
You got one?
I'm out, guys. What the hell? Bullshit.
All right, someone go in there and get it. Oh, wait, guys, right here. I'll get him. Cover me.
The motor wire disconnected again. I'm a piece of freaking turd.
We'll fix it when we get back.
Yeah.
Hit.
I fixed it twice already. You got pictures. One.
Down low.
At the trench. That's the mat. You got one car.
I'm cooped up. Alan and Dink. Can you get closer? Let's go around to her. Keep an eye out for Marco. I see him. Down the trail.
Oh, I hit.
Back in, let's go.
Man, push up, push up, push up.
Hit!
I'm hit. My gun's freaking broken. God damn it. This gun sucks. My gun broke again.
Oh, hit!
Yeah. No, it's fine. There's my brother.
He's right there, he's behind us. What team? What team? I don't know.
Game.
Our team? Game? Yeah, it is game.
Where's Marco? Marco square? That's game.
Yeah, it's game. It's game.
Marco square. Come on, kids, let's go! Feels so tactical, bro.
So tactical, bro.
Ready! So where do you think we should start first to look for Kyle?
Let's roll.
Let's go, bitches. We need to look for Kyle, though. Where should we start? Oh, dude, epic hurdle! How'd you do that?
Where are we going?
Where's that mofo?
Look up here. Sniper's up at the rock. Okay. Got it.
Bro. Alex, you can't touch me, bro. I'm too fly.
Push that way, push that way.
Guys, if you see Kyle, tell us.
Alright. I don't have a...
Sniper's up top. MG up top.
Kyle is. I think Kyle's somewhere on the hill, guys.
We gotta get a lot closer.
This is bullshit.
This is bullshit. I don't know where the fucking pilot is. Because now it's just force on force. MG's got a beat on us.
Where is he?
He's at your 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock.
Hey, should we tell him? I think we should restart the game. Because we don't know where the pilot is.
It's just force on force now.
Yeah, it's not extract the pilot. What?
Alan said pilot's over there. Then what the fuck are we doing over here?
Why didn't you tell us, dude? Come on, let's go, let's go.
Fuck. Let's push, let's push. Gotcha, come your way.
Go first.
Come on, Marquis, pass. Go, 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 go! MG's moving to the right. Sniper. Sniper's here.
Oh, there's Kyle, there's Kyle.
Where?
See him?
All right, coming at your 9 o'clock.
We could try rushing him. Who's over there?
One right behind the pilot.
I know, I see him. That's the guy with the AK. New guy.
Hey, if I'm hit,
Back to base. All right, Cuenca. There's one right behind the pilot.
Oh, that hit the shield! That hit the shield! Oh my god!
I don't know, does it count as a hit?
I'll call it hit!
Get back to base.
Okay, I'll sprint right back.
All right.
Where's Kyle?
He's at the rock right at my 12.
I know Ryan's over here somewhere sniping. I
I
don't
think
know.
the sniper we have to worry about.
Yeah.
Not gonna get us while we're running.
I don't know about Marco. Where's Marco at?
He's probably got a beat on the pilot. There's at least 3 right there.
Where?
got the pilot right here,
I know.
but there's a guy behind him.
That's the guy with the AK.
Yeah.
Okay, one sniper's right there. I hit him.
I can't. I see him right there. I'm sure these guys do. I'm gonna try to flank her. Oh shit, there's no way around here.
What the fuck? Oh. Where is he?
You wanna make that day?
I think so. No, he's not paying attention. Paying attention.
Who's there?
MG's down, MG's down. Good time.
Get blue jeans.
Almost. Right. Yeah, blue pins, snipers on his left. Please do that. Reloading.
MG's on me!
Who's there?
Hit!
Hit! Hit! I'm hit. I'm out. This is stupid. Dude, this is dumb. They didn't tell us who the pilot was.
What we can do is.
So one guy in there?
Yeah, someone needs 2 people down there to flush that guy out.
I got a grenade.
Ah!
They have a guy over there. Oh shit, AK.
Okay, got one.
You want to try pushing up that trail to the left? Let's go. Take the long way though.
I don't know, blue. Fucking MG's up on top.
Hey, Martin, do you see the other guy with the AK?
Yeah. No.
I'm gonna be over there.
All right, I'll cover you.
That's bullcrap. That wasn't 30 seconds. They were too close to the spawn.
You're good. Go, 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 go.
Sniper's got eyes on us.
Yeah, I know. Good.
Fuck. Are they anywhere close? Do you think they can hit me if I go get them?
I can make some noise.
1, 2.
3, go.
Hit.